Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sawar Mahdi and this is gonna be the first video with smartboard. So that's why this will be a very interesting video, and the topic is construction. So I think you all familiar with construction. What is this mainly? So right now I will tell you what is construction first, then construction words. Okay, so construction mainly in a two words or long words. So if you make it short, so then that is called construction. So let's see the example now. Here you can see in the first letter is are not. So we say are not, but in construction we can also say aren't. Okay, so this is aren't. Okay, pronounce this correctly, aren't. Okay, and the next letter word we can see cannot. Okay, so this is cannot. Okay, I'm changing the color. This is cannot. So how we can say this? Can't. Okay, so after that we can see could not. So what will be this? Couldn't. Okay, so could not, then couldn't. And then finally we can see did not. Did not is two words. Then we can say didn't in one word. So this will be the easiest way to pronounce quickly. Anyway, so we will say didn't. Okay, after this time we can see does not. Also the same thing, but this is a present form for third person singular. You know that. So that's why we say does not. But in shortly, we will say doesn't. It doesn't matter. Okay, very common sentence. So doesn't. Anyway, in the right side for you, you can see here had not. Will we say had not? No, we will say hadn't. Very easy. Then we have has not. Okay, this is also our present. Has not. No, hasn't. Try this. You can also do it. Hasn't. Then we have not. Have not. Haven't. So you can also say I have not a pen. So I haven't any pen. Same thing. But when you say I have not any pen, but if you say I haven't any pen, so you can identify that you can say faster than the previous. So use this in the next time. Haven't. Okay. Then we have should not. Very important word. Shouldn't. No. Sorry. Should not. This is. You won't say this. You'll say shouldn't. Okay. So most of the time, this is very useful word for our daily life. Like you shouldn't go out now. You shouldn't go out now. Anyway, we can use this everywhere to command in this sentence. Anyway, then we also use would not, like wouldn't. Okay, so like this for future tenses or future activities we need would not, but no, will not and would not the same thing. So we will say wouldn't, not would not. So I think from the next time you will use constructions to talk fastly, very fluently. So anyway, to speak with fluency, you must need to learn constructions. So I think you all enjoy this. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video.